From the majestic plains of Africa where great herds once roamed, to the frozen Arctic wastelands, the natural world never ceases to amaze. But what if we could resurrect creatures long extinct? What if we could manipulate the building blocks of life itself? This isn't science fiction, but the reality of cloning and genetic engineering. Join me as we uncover 50 astonishing facts about these technologies. Prepare to be amazed by the world we are creating. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. In scientific discovery, chance encounters often lead to groundbreaking revelations. In 1885, German scientist Hans Driesch, experimenting with sea urchin embryos, inadvertently created the first clone. 1996 marked a pivotal moment in science, the birth of Dolly, the first cloned mammal. This achievement sent shockwaves through the scientific community and captured the world's imagination. Dolly's existence showcased the complexity of cloning. She was the product of 3 sheep. One provided the DNA, another the egg, and a third carried Dolly to term. Chapter 4. Nature's Clones. Cloning is surprisingly common in nature, especially in plants. Take the humble banana. These fruits are clones producing genetically identical offspring. Chapter 5. Milking the genetic code. In Argentina, cows graze peacefully, unaware of their unique status. These cows are genetically engineered to produce milk similar to human breast milk, showcasing the power of biotechnology. Chapter 6. A king's ransom for a copycat. For those who can't bear parting with their pets, a South Korean company offers hope, albeit at a hefty price. For $100,000, they promise to recreate your furry companion, cell by cell. Chapter 7. A mouse, a multiplicity of mice. Researchers have pushed the boundaries of cloning to astonishing lengths. In one experiment, scientists cloned mice for over 25 generations, creating an army of genetically identical rodents. Chapter 8. The shadow of mortality. Cloning promises extended life but reveals the balance between nature and artificiality. Cloned animals often face higher health risks and shorter lifespans. Dolly lived only 6 years, half the average lifespan of her species. Chapter 9. Resurrecting giants. Imagine woolly mammoths roaming the frozen tundra again. Scientists are working to resurrect this giant using DNA from frozen remains. Chapter 10. The Forbidden Experiment. Human cloning has sparked heated ethical debates worldwide. Banned in most countries, replicating humans remains a tantalizing, controversial frontier in biotechnology. Chapter 11. Editing the Blueprint of Life. In 2018, a Chinese scientist claimed to have created the first genetically modified human babies, sparking international outrage and ethical debate. Glowing wonders. Scientists have created a rabbit that glows in the dark. By inserting jellyfish DNA into a rabbit embryo, it fluoresces under UV light, showcasing the possibilities of genetic engineering. CC, the first cloned cat, showed that clones can have different appearances and personalities. Despite identical genes, CC looked and behaved differently from her donor mother. Cloning comes at a cost. Cloned animals often suffer from health issues like premature aging, organ failure, and weakened immune systems, raising concerns about animal welfare. In a major breakthrough, Chinese researchers cloned a macaque monkey in 2017 using the same technique as Dolly the sheep, edging us closer to human cloning. In elite equestrian sports, the quest for excellence knows no bounds. In 2020, a champion horse's legacy lived on through cloning, as a genetically identical foal was born, aiming to replicate its predecessor's triumphs. Move over, glow-in-the-dark rabbits. Scientists created a piglet with a glowing nose and feet by introducing jellyfish genes into its DNA, blurring the lines between science and fiction. Cloning's story began in the 1950s when Japanese scientists cloned frogs. Their pioneering techniques laid the foundation for modern cloning and future breakthroughs. In Dubai, a cloned camel stands as a testament to modern science. This genetic replica of a prized racing camel embodies the intersection of tradition and technology. Imagine a world where extinct species get a second chance. Scientists are exploring de-extinction using cloning to revive creatures like the passenger pigeon and restore balance to ecosystems. Clones share identical genes, but appearances vary due to environment and mutations, showcasing the interplay between nature and nurture. As human activities push species towards extinction, cloning offers hope. Scientists have cloned endangered animals like the black-footed ferret and Przewalski's horse, providing a lifeline to these creatures. Cloned embryos are invaluable in stem cell research, paving the way for treatments for diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Could cloning extend human lifespan? Some scientists believe cloning organs could eliminate shortages and prolong life. Cloning technology's rapid advancement ignites ethical debates, raising concerns about designer babies, genetic inequality, and defining human life. In scientific research, rats are indispensable. Cloned rats with identical genetics offer researchers a powerful tool for studying diseases and testing treatments. From salmon to zebrafish, cloned fish are becoming common, raising concerns about genetic diversity and impacts on wild populations. In 2005, a cloned Afghan hound named Snuppy captured hearts and headlines. As the first successfully cloned dog, Snuppy paved the way for commercial pet cloning. Genetic engineering is revolutionizing agriculture, creating supercrops that are more nutritious, pest-resistant, and can withstand harsh conditions. Scientists have engineered sheep to produce human proteins in their milk, turning these gentle creatures into living pharmaceutical factories. These proteins are extracted and used to treat diseases like hemophilia. As coral reefs face threats from climate change and pollution, scientists are using cloning to restore damaged reefs and preserve these vital ecosystems. The potential for cloning in military use raises ethical alarms, fearing bioengineered soldiers with enhanced abilities. A cloned cat named Copycat showed that identical genes don't mean identical personalities. Behavior is shaped by genetics and environment. Glow-in-the-dark fish, genetically modified to fluoresce, have become popular pets, raising ethical questions about commodifying living creatures. In 2013, scientists achieved a groundbreaking, controversial feat cloning human embryos. Intended for stem cell research, this breakthrough reignited ethical debates about human cloning. Driven to extinction, the Tasmanian tiger could roam the earth again. Scientists are using preserved DNA to resurrect this iconic marsupial. Imagine a world without peanut allergies. Scientists use gene editing to modify peanuts, making them non-allergenic and potentially saving lives. Cloned mice were crucial in the Human Genome Project, aiding scientists in mapping the human genome and understanding DNA complexities. Zhong Zhong, a cloned macaque, lived normally, showing cloned primates can thrive and challenging assumptions about cloning limitations. Scientists have genetically modified mosquitoes to prevent malaria, offering a potential solution to a deadly disease. Cloning is vital in cancer research, enabling scientists to create cancer cell copies to study growth and test treatments. CRISPR, a revolutionary gene editing technology, promises to cure genetic disorders by correcting faulty genes. Cloning technology has advanced, but some cloned animals face fertility challenges, raising questions about their long-term viability. Cloning combats deforestation by creating identical, fast-growing trees, offering a sustainable solution for reforestation efforts. Lab-grown meat produced by culturing animal cells could revolutionize the food industry, reducing reliance on traditional animal agriculture. In Japan, a cloned cow produces beef with exceptional marbling, showing cloning's potential to enhance desirable livestock traits. Cloning aims to create identical copies, but mutations can lead to subtle genetic differences between clones and donors. Scientists have created hybrid creatures by combining DNA from different species, like a goat with spider silk genes blurring natural and engineered lines. China is cloning pandas to boost the dwindling population of this beloved and endangered species. Despite its feasibility, human cloning raises profound ethical and philosophical questions about life and our role in shaping it. As we've journeyed through the astonishing world of cloning and genetic experiments, we've encountered both the awe-inspiring and the unsettling. From resurrecting extinct species to modifying human genes, these technologies hold immense promise, but also raise profound ethical questions. Which of these facts blew your mind? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.